Hi guys. So I am either going to absolutely love what I'm about to do or totally regret it entirely. I'm in this weird phase with my hair right now where it's growing out and I kind of love what's going on, but also my bangs, they're all, yeah, super growing out to my chin. And it looks nice, but I have to put a lot of effort into like pushing them back, and I do this at all and they're just in my face. So they definitely need to be trimmed no matter what. But second problem is this. It's so flat from like here, and then like all my curls live here. And she does need a trim down here anyways. I got some split ends. And then like I said, the bangs need to be done, but I want more. Like like I need more layers up here. So I'm gonna be doing the wolf cut. And Mondo, if you're watching this, I'm following your tutorial. I did the butterfly cut, right? I followed your butterfly cut tutorial once, and that was my last haircut that I did, and this is it grown out. I think I did a really good job, and it's really pretty. You want to see the back? It's really grown out though, so. And this can be like a cute little before and after too, if you will. So, and I'm gonna do something that not many people do. I'm gonna wet my hair. Oh my God, I know, it's like a revelation, guys. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna get back on camera, give myself a little unicorn ponytail situation going on, and we're gonna get started. All right, so I'm back, and my hair's wet, and I'm gonna go ahead and do another thing that Brad suggested. It was not required, but suggested, and that is put some detangler in my hair, like leave-in conditioner. I don't have detangler or leave-in conditioner, but I do have curl cream that I use kind of in the same way. So I'm gonna do that. And then when it's drying and stuff, because I don't plan on really styling it, I'll already have something in my hair to style it. So I'm also going to be doing like some shaggy shaggy curtain bangs that are going to be short. And I think that's going to look quite lovely with my curly hair. One thing about me is every time I cut my hair, I love it. But every time I cut my hair, I am so shook the entire time. Okay, I'm so serious about this pony placement, man. Like, this is the one thing I feel like you cannot get wrong. So, I'm gonna take the handy dandy hairbrush. Ow! Damn it. And just bring it way forward. Same with the other side. This is an arm workout. I got my hair tie. I think that's right. I'm gonna go back and look real quick. All right, I went back and adjusted just a little bit, just a smidge lower. And I also had a bump back here that I didn't realize. So now, the fun part, the scary part, as some people call it. And you're going to love me again, Brad Mondo, if you're watching this anyways. If he does watch this, he's going to love it. Look what I got. Okay. So my longest. Right there. That is as much hair that I can take off without taking my length off. Oh boy, that's a lot of hair. Oh, why am I so shooketh over that? He keeps saying like a lot of hair, but that's like a lot of hair. I think we're gonna go for it. I'm so scared right now. Oh my god. I'm sweating. I'm sweating. We're gonna go for it. And he said go down with it. No going back. My hand's shaking. Prayer to the hair gods. Please don't have just let me fucked up my hair. Amen. I don't even know if that's how you do it. I'm not even religious. Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. The curls are back up there, babe. Brad Mondo, you're a genius. You will understand when it's done why I am so hyped right now. Let's see what we're working with. What are we working with? Yeah, it wants to fall like that. But I'm not done. Oh, yeah, like at that moment. And that's kind of how it'll lay. Like, whoosh. It looks ridiculous right now, but bear with me as we get through this. And then we want it to be right above the eyebrow. Like there was a line there that was messed up just a little bit. Yeah. So now, just like I did with the bang area, I'm going to take this section that goes from just behind the ear, like right here, up to the crown, or the, sorry, apex. And I'm going to do essentially the exact same thing. I'm just going to take all the hair and comb it this way, right? And then I'm going to cut it at that same spot that I cut this side. I think what I'm going to do is split this in half right there. Oh, y'all are so not ready. Huh? Wait. Oh my god, guys. Like, look how stupid cute this is. Now I've got my edge back and I can still be girly. That will be it for my video. I love you guys. Bye.